Hi, hello, namaskara friends. How are you all? I hope all of you are doing good. Welcome to Acad's Pro Spoken Kannada class session 14. This is Siri. Okay. Friends, in our previous class, you learnt about adjectives, right? Okay, adjectives of quality, adjectives of numbers. Today, we will learn adjectives of quantity. Okay, that is a different category of adjectives. Adjectives of quantity. Okay friends, let's learn. Adjectives of quantity. What we call Visheshanagalu in Kannada. Here we have some words. These words indicate quantity of the noun or pronoun. Okay, or thing. So, more, ಹೆಚ್ಚು in Kannada, more, ಹೆಚ್ಚು. ಲೆಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ, ಲೆಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ. ಸಮ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ, ಸಮ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. ಫ್ಯೂ ಕೆಲವು, ಫ್ಯೂ ಕೆಲವು. ಎಂಪ್ಟಿ ಖಾಲಿ, ಎಂಪ್ಟಿ ಖಾಲಿ. ಪ್ಲೆಂಟಿ ಆಫ್, ಪ್ಲೆಂಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು, ಪ್ಲೆಂಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು. All, yella, all, yella. Friends, we have so many words that indicate to quantity, but I am taking few words here. Okay. Okay friends, let's have some examples about these words. I will come after some time. I will come after some time. You know the word for I, ನಾನು, I, ನಾನು. Some, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ, some, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. Time, you know the word, ಸಮಯ. ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಮಯದ ನಂತರ, ಆಫ್ಟರ್, ನಂತರ. ಬರುತ್ತೇನೆ, come, ಬರು, ಬರುತ್ತೇನೆ. Okay, this is in future tense, so that's why I am taking tene here. This is a verb. I will come after some time. ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಮಯದ ನಂತರ ಬರುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ರಿಪೀಟಿಂಗ್. ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಮಯದ ನಂತರ ಬರುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಓಕೆ. The price of banana is less. The price of banana is less. Okay. Banana, we have ಬಾಳೆಹಣ್ಣು in Kannada. The word ಬಾಳೆಹಣ್ಣು in Kannada. ಬಾಳೆಹಣ್ಣಿನ ಬೆಲೆ. Price means ಬೆಲೆ. This is important word. Please remember this. ಬಾಳೆಹಣ್ಣಿನ ಬೆಲೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ. Less, ಕಡಿಮೆ. ಬಾಳೆಹಣ್ಣಿನ ಬೆಲೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ. Few people are sitting. Few people are sitting. Few, we have word ಕೆಲವು. ಕೆಲವು ಜನ, people, ಜನ. ಕುಳಿತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್, ಕುಳಿತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕೆಲವು ಜನ ಕುಳಿತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Right? Friends, I am giving you quick recap. More, ಹೆಚ್ಚು. Less, ಕಡಿಮೆ. Some, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. Few, ಕೆಲವು. Empty, ಖಾಲಿ. Plenty of, ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು. All, ಎಲ್ಲ. Okay, this is all about adjectives of quantity, and please follow our channel, subscribe our channel and hit like button too. I wish you all the best friends and take care. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.